Morning everybody! So today something very hilarious happened and I just had to share it with you to start my video. In this video I would like to show you how you can grow your own pineapple out of another pineapple. So I'm going to show you what happened, but first I want to tell you basically the funny story. So I bought 2 pineapples at the shop and I put them in a bag and I put them on the back seat, and I was driving home and I had to brake quite hard for somebody else that cut in front of me, and I just heard this crash and kind of like a snapping noise. So I thought, oh no, what happened in the back? So when I got home I was so sad because I saw that my pineapple had been cut in half, and I didn't know yet how to grow my own pineapple. And then when I looked it up and I realized that this is exactly what you have to do to grow your own pineapple, is cut off the top and then put it in some water. I was actually so happy and I was just laughing because what I thought was a disaster was actually exactly what I needed to do. So today I'm going to show you how to grow your own pineapple. Luckily at the shop I bought 2 pineapples, so I can show you, if yours isn't already got its top cut off, how you would do this by yourself. So apparently what you do is you take the top and you twist it, and you're going to see it looks like that at the bottom. Oh, I've got a lovely little elastic band there. It looks like that at the bottom, and then I read that you need to peel off 3 or 4 rows of these spiky things. Just be careful because they are quite spiky. So you're going to peel these back and keep going and keep peeling. So I think that's about 3 or 4 rows. Here we go. And now you can see it's got this sort of shape over here. And what you're going to do now is, I thought that you put this straight into water, but apparently you now leave this for a few days, 4 or 5 days, and you wait for it to sort of dry out a little bit, and then you're going to put it into water and just submerge. That means just cover about that much of the bottom of the pineapple, and then you need to be really patient and wait for some little roots to start growing. So I guess I'll show you what happens at that point. So I'm going to peel back the layers on this one so that it looks more like that, and then I'm going to have 2 pineapple plants to grow. This is where I'm going to leave my pineapple tops for a few days for them to dry out. These are the 2 glass jars that I'm going to wash and get ready for when my pineapples are dried a little bit and they can go into some water. Just to give you guys a little update, this is 3 days after putting the pineapple tops to dry out, and they're looking amazing, nearly ready to go in water. So my pineapple tops have been drying now for about 5 or 6 days, and you can see they're really dry on the end there, and so they're ready to go into water now. So I'll show you what you need to do for that. You're going to need 2 glass jars, like I've shown you the 2 that I got washed and ready for the pineapple tops, and you're going to fill those with some nice cold clean water all the way sort of close to the top so that the pineapple top can stick down into it. And then you're going to put your pineapple top in the water and make sure that it's covering that dry part and a little bit of the green as well. And I'm going to do that with my other pineapple top as well. I've got another nice glass jar here, all the way to nearly the top. Oh, that's exactly how much water I had. And then you're going to stick your other pineapple top in and make sure that it's covering the brown and a bit of green as well. And now you need to place these somewhere on a sunny windowsill or something like that, and wait for little roots to start growing, which should take about 2 weeks. And then it's a long wait after that for a little pineapple to grow out the top. Nearly 18 months to 2 years, which is a long time. But another pineapple will actually grow out of the top of this greenery over here. A little pineapple will start to grow here. So after these have formed nice roots, you can plant them into the ground somewhere or into a pot. The water is just to get it to start to grow roots. So I hope you have fun growing your own pineapple. I know that I'm so excited to see what happens, and I'll have to do an update video in a while to let you know how it's going. Enjoy and have fun!